Have you always wondered what a guy with a big courgette looks like? Yes guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. My name is Timon from Nutriment, nutrition coach and a chef. Today we're going to do a food challenge. Not just some food challenge, we're going to eat courgette. Not just a random one courgette, a 3 kilo courgette. Just wondering what you guys think, how many calories this beast of a courgette is. Comment below. So without further ado, let's go. Good morning guys. It's just about 9 o'clock in the morning, 9 AM. Normally I start at 12 PM with my breakfast because I'm doing intermittent fasting at the moment because I'm in a cutting phase. But we've got 3 kilo to finish, 3 kilos of courgette in one day. So I'm starting early today. We're starting off with a smoothie actually. I know what you're thinking, it's probably going to be disgusting with courgette. I'm going to try it anyway. I don't want anything wasted of this courgette, so therefore I'm going to use the ends as well. I'm going to have about this bit in my smoothie. That is about, let's see, 500 grams. Cut 500 grams off. I'm going to chuck it in the blender. That's like a whole full blender, oh my god. I'm going to add 1 cup of milk, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, add on the lid, and let's see how this turns out. I'm actually going to let it spin for a while to get all smooth. As you can see, it's not going to plan. So after a half decent cleaning job, I'm gonna actually try this courgette milkshake smoothie. Doesn't look the most appealing, and I'm actually really curious. I didn't get a recipe from a website, I just thought of it and I was like, I need to get my protein in and this 3 kilo courgette, so cheers. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's like very mild courgette, but the vanilla protein powder is coming through, which I kind of like. It's like that milkshake kind of vanilla milkshake taste. I just finished both smoothies. I have no idea how much that was, probably like a liter of smoothies. I'm gonna put the macros and the calories up here somewhere. Free to try it if you want. It was alright, it wasn't the worst. It was actually not too bad. I'm not gonna drink this because it's all froth and it makes me want to froth. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to work for a bit and I'll see you at lunch. Alright, we arrived at lunchtime, which means we are going to make spaghetti bolognese. I've got some extra lean beef right here. Instead of spaghetti, we are going to use zucchini. So, zucchini. Fun fact, by the way, they call a courgette a zucchini in, I guess, Australia and New Zealand. Not sure if there's any other countries you call it a zucchini, but yeah. So it's got 2 names. We call it courgette though. I'm going to put it on this beautiful machine, it's called a mandolin, create some zucchini noodles, and then make a spaghetti bolognese. So yeah, let's go. Okay, then a few minutes later you got all these spaghetti or zucchini noodles. They call them zoodles as well. Clever. Okay, so with the bolognese sauce, I've actually got like 1 onion and 3 garlic cloves in here, all chopped up. I'm frying in a spray oil of Bertolli. I think spray oil is better because there's less calories. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin, is 120 calories, whereas 1 spray of this, what I just showed you before, is 10 calories. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do to consume the whole courgette is these insides that I couldn't make noodles of. I'm going to blend them up with the juice of the mozzarella. So I'm using all the flavors again. And I'm going to make a sauce out of that and add it to the bolognese sauce. To my bolognese sauce, give it a little mix. Okay, that wasn't the best one. Some pepper, some salt, Okay, so the sauce is finished. Basically means that we just have to combine the ingredients together and we've got ourselves a dish. Right, so we'll start off with half of this. Right, and that is my first bowl of, I think, 3 more to go. It actually does taste like a bolognese. As you can see, it's an absolute mess. I've got a food baby to the max, so I'm gonna walk off. See you later. Okay, because I was so uncomfortable after eating 3 big plates of courgette, I forgot to tell you a couple of things. First of all, the macros, which I'm gonna pop up here somewhere. Also, I had no idea how many, not how many, like how bloated you could get from eating courgette. I think I'm like, I guess half down. So I guess I ate like 1.5 kilos courgette at the moment and I'm so full. Zucchinis or courgettes are full of vitamin A, which is super good for your immune system. Also, courgettes are of course low in calories, which means you can eat high volume food if you'd like to. They're full of antioxidants, which may prevent diseases like prostate cancer, so that's a good one. Also, they're of course low carb, which makes them perfect to substance like pastas, like penne or spaghetti, like you just saw in my lunch earlier. And just another little tip, nothing bad came ever of walking, just remember that. I feel fine again, man. I was so full earlier, like next level. I bloated, like I didn't know what was wrong with me. Went for a walk and I feel fine. Not saying I'm gonna eat again, but I feel okay now. All right, so excuse the noise, the oven's on. We're at the last bit of the courgette. I'm really excited that it's the last bit, but I'm not so excited that I need to eat it. Got one bit left, yeah? So 1/3, I guess about 1 kilo. We're just gonna have a little look at the scales. That is 930 grams. What I'm gonna make is a courgette soup because I can't be bothered to chew anymore and I love to swallow. I'm gonna add some peas to that as well, just to get some protein in. Peas are one of the better vegetables if you look at protein content. 5 grams of protein per 100 grams. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so the courgette is finished and the garlic as well, so I'm gonna add that to the blender. We're gonna blend everything up nice and smooth until it's a soup. Okay, let's try it. It's quite nice, it tastes like peas instead of courgette. It's that color, wow. That's hot. That's actually really nice. It's more like a pea soup than a courgette soup. You know, I don't really dislike courgette, but after eating, well, not yet, 3 kilos in a day, it's a lot for any human to process, I guess. Doesn't matter what vegetable it is. Starting to get like uncomfortably full. This is my last bite. I'm not going to eat courgette. Pretty empty. Alright, I guess 2.8 kilos, 2.7 kilos courgette down into the body. I'm feeling horrendous, bloated, too full. I'm just going to sit on the couch and relax for a bit, have a good night's sleep, and come back to you in the morning. Alright, good morning everyone. It's the day after the food challenge. I completed it. Yes, I ate 2.8 kilos of courgette. Not gonna lie, I still feel bloated. I did this morning about 5,000 steps just to, I don't know, reset I think. Just drank lots of water and coffee. And honestly, I'm still bloated. I guess 3 kilos of anything is not good to eat in one day. So I wouldn't recommend that. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and give a little comment. I'd like your feedback. This is my first video. If I did anything you didn't like or you didn't want to see or you want to see next time, comment down below. Thanks for watching guys. See you later.